Hello everybody, I'm gonna show you how you can log into your My Geo app with your Geo username and password, and how you can create a Geo username and password. So first of all, open the My Geo app. Make sure that you're not connected to Wi-Fi. Allow all the permissions. Close it. So basically what you see is this. Skip a lot of advertise. Allow. Make sure you like and subscribe to the channel so that it will be much easier for you in the future. Just simply allow all the permissions. Now one way of tag logging in is by entering a mobile number. You get an OTP. I've also mentioned how you can bypass your OTP, that is simply by turning on the data. Now we have four methods to log into your MyGeo app. First is sign in with SIM card. If you press on sign in with SIM card, you need to disable your that Wi-Fi first. Now if you want to if you want to create a user ID, so you can directly log in using a user ID as well. So if you your mail ID, if it is registered, you can simply enter and type in the password, and the same can be obtained from mygeo.com. I have even mentioned the procedure in the next steps in the tutorial. You can find in the tutorial. You can sign up with this. Just simply enter your mobile number, and that's it, and you'll get an OTP on that mobile number, and use a mobile what you call, then simply you can forward it, the mail and the mail ID. And if you are a GeoFi user, then you can directly first of all connect it to a GeoFi, and then press on GeoFi, and then once it is connected to it will automatically fetch the login details, and it will automatically log in. So we are gonna do with this normal thing, that is turn off your data, sorry, Wi-Fi, and make sure you have enabled your data. That's it. Once it is done, now 4G LTE is on. Now simply tap on sign in with GeoSIM. Okay, so what you can do is simply close the app again. Now open it. Now it will bypass the login Geo username, ID and password, and log in directly. A lot of ads logging you in, as you can see. Yeah, that's it. You have simply logged into your My Geo account directly. This is one of the procedures for the same. Thank you for watching this video, and if you like, and please do not forget to share and subscribe to your channel. This is Clever Hippo for informationlot.com. Let yeah, see, you can simply verify your mail ID, and you can even get your username and password as well, so that we can directly log into other services like Geo TV and Geo Music as well. Thank you again. Thank you for watching this video. This is Clever Hippo for informationlot.com. Once again, one can also use your phone number to get your Geo Money account. So to log into Geo Money wallet or log in into Geo Money, what you have to do is simply download the app from the Play Store, and then head over to Geo Money app. For first time, it will ask for the permissions. Now enter your mobile number 639-544-3902 and log in or sign up. As I am doing for the first time, it will ask for the details, like fill in your document ID and type, so that you will get your Geo Money account. In this manner, you will be able to use your Geo Money, or you can log in into Geo Money account by using your Geo SIM. Thank you for watching this video.